Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a Christmas inspired look with the Jamescharlespalette palette. With these colors, don't mind my lash glue mess here for the names. I'll try my best to say the name, that's why I did that, while I'm doing the look. But of course, I'll have everything in the description below. So, yeah. If you want to see the Christmas inspired look, thank you for watching.
And it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one.
There's been a lot of talk about this palette and staining and whether James Charles was hiding anything about the palette, and personally I've used this maybe twice and I haven't had no serious staining. As you can see, my eyelids are already like pinkish. They have like, you know, this color to them already. I didn't notice anything after, but people are reaching, okay? Anyways, to start off, I'm going to use the base booster from BH Cosmetics. So the plan for today is that I do a red eye and a green eye for obvious reasons. I'll apply this, sorry guys. I'll apply this to the crease as the first initial color. Okay, so as you can see, this is already like stained or whatever because I did do this red look a while ago. It's on my Instagram. I'm going to pick up 518. Should I use this brush? Yeah, why not? 518. See that bright orange? Okay. I'm just going to stamp this, okay? And I'm just going to blend those together. Getting that same packer brush, I'm going to go in again with 518. I went in with a Milani packer brush with Social Blade. Then I tapped into Social Blade with the M441 Morphe brush and just blend that out. So remember, most of these are pigments which you have to pack on, as James said, to get the intensity you want and then blend out. Okay? Okay. So now going back to the red side, going to flip my packer brush. You're kidding. Picking up, you're kidding. Okay. Which is the red shade. Okay. And I'm gonna pack that right about where I put that orange. You are, well, how I do it, I am gonna lose most of that yellow, but I just like to do it, so you know, yeah, for whatever reason. Okay, I'm gonna flip it, go back to 518 and pack that right above that red. So now I mixed both the red and the orange together and I'm gonna blend again. Trying to bring that more red color up to conceal my mistake. Okay, now going in with the yellow brush, picking up B, trying to bring back that yellow a tad bit. Okay. So now I'm going to Yeah, use the Milani brush. Flip it and let's see if I don't mess up the green. The color I'm picking up is Daddy. Okay, so I have that. And I'm just gonna pack it on. I wasn't ready for that. So now I'm going in with this. Again, the blending brush, picking up Social Blade and blending those two colors together. Now because I went in very high with the orange on this eye, I'm gonna go high with the mixing Daddy and Social Blade so that the green can go higher. I got more Social Blade though than Daddy. So yeah, I'm bringing those green shades higher to match the other side. Tiniest bit of Daddy. Bringing that up. Okay, so I cut my crease. Well, yeah, whatever. I'm going to go in with this blending brush on this side and this blending brush on this side, just to kind of conceal the line. I'm not really going for a sharp line. Regardless, if I do change my mind, I can just try to make a straight line with the white eyeshadow. So yeah. Now I did put less concealer on this side and more concealer on this side. So now what we're going to do is carefully try to do like the reverse. You know how we did? So you know how it was orange, red, right? So I'm gonna go back with orange. So it's like a little ombre situation. Then in the middle we're gonna have the white. Trying to think which is best to do first. I think we'll just go ahead and do the orange here, right? Actually I might need a different brush. Different packer brush. But anyways, so you're gonna do the, sorry. You're gonna do the orange on both outer sides of the concealer and leave a space in the middle for the white. Then here we're gonna go in with Social Blade, the outermost part, and blend that and then leave a space for the white. The only thing that's left to do is smoke out the lash line, the lower lash line, and yeah, do a mixture of both on the bottom. the yellow B. Now I'll do the final touches, which is little thin line of black or liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. And we're done, guys. This is the final product. I will not lie. Today, I haven't done makeup in so long, probably like 2 weeks. But maybe, I don't know. It took me forever to get these lashes on. Oh my god, these are Dodolashes in style D15. They're really pretty. So yeah, you guys, what? So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys come back for more. I have an elf haul coming up, and what other video? I have another video coming up soon. Oh, like a get ready with me, and you guys are gonna see me straighten my hair, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, lips are from ColourPop, Rain, and Naughty. I didn't want to add gloss because I want the eyes just to I want the focus to be on the eyes. So no wing liner either because I did a halo eye. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas inspired look. And yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. And this is bomb. Bye.